welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle, and I'm right back here with another video tutorial for you guys. In today's video, I'll be continuing the series on how to make DIY Christmas ornaments for decorations in your home using glitter foam sheets. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't just watch and pass by. Do me the honor of subscribing to my channel. Click that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family, guys. Make sure to click on the notification bell so as you get notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. Make sure to check out my Vlogmas day 2, day 3, and day 1. Let's get to the video. So we'll be starting with 3 sheets of 7 by 7 centimeters glitter foam sheet. 7 by 7 centimeters, or you can use 3 by 3 inches. So all you have to do is, just divide it along the center, just like you see me do. If you cannot cut in a straight line, make sure to rule a line before you cut it out. After cutting it out, you take 1/2 of the sheet, fold it just like you see me do. Make sure that it is straight. After folding it, you now cut 2 straight lines, and you not cut it off. You cut it to get almost to the end, just like you see me do. Then you cut off the down part in a slanted form in order to get this. So you'd have 2 lines in both sides and then 1 big one in the middle. Then you take 1 of each line and turn it just like you see me turn, and gum it on top of each other. Just follow what I'm doing. I'm going to repeat the process the second time so you can understand better. You take, you turn it, turn the second one over the first one and gum it on top of each other. And then you gum both lines to form one, just like you see me do. Yes, I'm now going to add my gum, and then I'll take both lines and join it to form one. When that gum is dry, I'll now gum it on the down part of the sheet. That down part, exactly, just like you see me do. I'll attach it there and gum it. So that's how we form the petals for this, let's just call it like a snowflake because it kind of turned out like that. So I'm going to repeat it again so you'd understand better. Take 1/2, fold it just like you see me do. Cut out 2 straight lines. Don't cut it out to the end, just like you see me do. Then you can open up and slantly cut out the ends. After that, you take 1 line, turn it over, take the second line on the same, turn it over and place it on top of the first one, and then gum it. You're not going to attach it to the down part yet. You would repeat that same process in the second, in the left hand side of the sheet. You gum that side together, and then when that side is dry, you now take both sides that you have gummed right now and gum it to form one. Just like you see me do. Is pretty explanatory. In fact, as I'm talking, I don't even know how to explain it well for you, but I think the video speaks volumes. So guys, after that is dried, you just add a glue on the down part and then gum it. That is that. And then I'll go ahead and I'll create on the remaining petals, and I'll get back to you guys. And yeah, we have all 6 petals done. And you take 3 centimeter circle and start gumming them all round the circle. So just follow what I'm doing. You gum 2 first on opposite sides, then you take the 4 and start arranging it until you just get a full circle. After that is done, if the center of the snowflakes is kind of rough, you just cut a smaller circle and just fill in the middle. And that is that, guys. It's as simple as ABC. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my god, I love this so much. If you've watched up to here and you're still not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I beg you guys. I love you so much. So my old subscribers, you're just amazing, guys. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys. This is just wonderful. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. I love it. And these are other colors I made. Oh my god. The gold, the green, the pink. Everything just turned out so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. See you all tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 5. And I love you all. Be sure to like this video, comment on it, share it. See you all tomorrow. Bye.